All right. Well, we are here at CPSP 347 East Rowen. You can see this train coming down the hill here. Westbound has a high green, a green over red. That means he is headed down the main line. And the other end of the signal at the other end has already been cleared. I'm going to back away from the tracks here. This is a Union Pacific. Looks like a manifest coming down the hill here. This bridge here is the second crossing of Tehachapi Creek. That dirt road down there is access to the Three Peaks Ranch, so called because there are the Three Peaks. That down there, that little cabin down there, that is a standalone dragon equipment detector. This is one of the bridges that was destroyed in the 1932 flood. All 7 of the bridges over Tehachapi Creek were either destroyed or damaged during that flood. I'll do a standalone piece about that, about the 1932 flood at some point. But they just put a new deck on this bridge not too long ago. You can see the kind of the rust-colored steel on it. This used to be this used to just have it was all old riveted black steel. They put this in here, and this is all welded together and built a little more. I don't know if it's any more solid, but it's newer. A lot of empty lumber cars, center beam cars, or whatever they call them. I would just call them lumber cars because that's generally what they haul on them. Look at that road going down there. That is how you access this end of Rowen. That is from Keene. Get off the freeway there at Keene, turn down by the fire station, come up here, get yourself a train. Westbound UP going down the hill through Rowen. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. Like, share, subscribe. Click on the bell if you want to be notified of future content. Keep shooting me those ideas. Leave them in the comments below. Or shoot me an email at motopoet59@gmail.com. We'll see y'all later.